Here's one of the coolest little hatchbacks you'll ever have a chance to own, and it's for sale here at Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, Alabama. This is Jeff, and today I'd like to show you this beautiful 2025 Nissan Kicks SR Premium. Your SR is your sporty model. The Premium comes with all the good options. Around back, rear park assist sensors, lots and lots of cargo room. Backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. Really sharp 19-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Bridgestone tires. More than ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to dual high-speed USB-C charging ports located in the back of the center console. It's aspen white tri-coat with sport interior. Factory roof rack, tinted windows, color-keyed door handles, color-keyed mirror caps with the LED turn signals. LED daytime running lights and headlights. Front park assist as well. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. You know my favorite option is always that power panoramic moonroof. Bucket seats, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror. Heated steering wheel controls, automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth and intelligent cruise control. Only 6,600 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera with that really nice around view 360-degree monitor. Dual zone climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger, push button start, inductive wireless cell phone charging, more USB ports, electronic parking brake, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including remote start, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and those panoramic moonroof controls overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2025 Nissan Kicks SR Premium, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.